Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and the videos as immediate notifications to your devices. And here I started the Telegram as well as the Facebook group, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from NIT State University as well as the private university. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, first we will see the State University, that is the Bangalore University. And here from the Department of Communication, okay, one notification released that application invited for the guest faculty in the Department of Communication. So this university invites application for the appointment of guest faculty, full-time or part-time, to teach public relations and advertising for the academic year 2021 to 22. Preference will be given to those candidates who have teaching experience and PhD or NET or SLET. Interested candidates may download the application form from the Bangalore University website and has to be submit their filled application along with the biodata and required certificates to the chairman, Department of Communication, Bangalore University, on or before 10th March 2021. Okay, the selection committee decision is final, and for more details, okay, here the contact number is provided and here the email ID is also provided. So today is the last date, so the interested candidates may immediately download the application form, okay, and you may submit the filled up application form along with the biodata and required certificates, okay, to the mentioned address. And coming to the next one is it's a private university, that is the Sabarmati University, and you may check down the departments here: English, Zoology, and Botany. So assistant professor, each and every department, one vacancies are there. And qualification and experience as per the UGC and state government or the university guidelines. And the candidates may send your resume along with the testimonials at sectionofficer.hr@sabarmatiuniversity.edu.in. Okay, so it is the advertisement, guys. And coming to the next one is the NIT college. So it is NIT Agartala, and here the PhD is mandatory, guys. So faculty recruitment notice. So online applications are invited to the post of assistant professor grade 1 and grade 2 from the NIT Agartala. And here you may check down the minimum pay scale of the post 11, 10, 12 as per the 7th CPC. And the departments are bioengineering, chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, mechanical, production, chemistry, physics, mathematics, management and master of computer applications. So total 58 number of assistant professor vacancies are there. So the opening date of online portal is 8th March 2021 and the last date for submission of online application form is 31st March 2021. Okay, so here as per the caste category wise, the number of vacancies are split up here in this table, so you may check down, guys. Okay, so the levels and the academic grade pays are also mentioned here. Okay, and here how to the qualification, detailed education qualification, experience and other criteria for selection of faculty positions shall be as per the schedule E. That means that was mentioned here in this PDF itself. Okay, I will show you guys. And here the area of specializations are also mentioned here as per the departmental wise, so you may check down. And so these are the different specializations coming to the different departments. And the eligible candidates required to apply through online. So application submission system is available at the institute website itself, and the online portal will allow the candidate to print the filled in application after successful electronic submission, and the candidates are advised to make sure that all the details as entered are correct before the final submission. And application received through any other mode shall not be accepted. That means you have to send through the online mode, and then you have to take the printout of your online application form after the final submission. Okay, so application fee is 1000 rupees and 500 rupees and no fee, okay, for these categories. So you may check down, guys. And few instructions are given. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description at the end of the description box of this video. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. Okay, so here the essential qualification and the few more essential requirements are mentioned here, so you may check down, guys, carefully. Okay, so for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in the 2021, so both the UGC paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.